Hey there, ever wanted to play Pokemon Go right from home? If you want to learn how, let's go! Alrighty guys, so I've actually got Pokemon Go on my phone right now, and what I'm gonna do here is just gonna show you guys the gameplay before actually deleting the app entirely and doing it one more time to show you guys that it actually works, okay? And as you can see, there's something on the right hand and on the left hand of the screen right here, and what we're gonna do first is we're actually just gonna go into the settings and adjust some features you want for it to activate on the game. Of course, most importantly, I'm just gonna turn on a few joysticks. It's right down here, guys. You guys can see. I'm doing one more time so you can see. And oh, forgot to adjust the speed. Okay, here it is. Just gonna type in as much as you want. All right, and and now I'm gonna show you guys the map. Okay, that is another cool thing about the spoof. You can teleport to anywhere you want. It has the map of the whole world. I am just going to type in, let's say, New York, and the map's gonna pop up here, and I could just teleport there very quickly. All right, just press in there and press done, and we're here. And now, okay, the coolest part, guys, just drag and watch the magic happens. As you can see, guys, my character is running like the wind. It's so fast, and I'm still right here. As you guys can see, right? Okay, that's so crazy. Here are the filters. You can choose what Pokemon that shows up, and of course, I'm gonna delete it right now. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it yourself right now. Okay, now first, find for me the settings right here, and here they are. Okay, press on that and go into the general, and in the background app refresh, make sure it's turned on Wi-Fi and mobile data, guys. Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, as you can see right here. Once that's done, just gonna go back and find for me the apps, which should be right down here. The app store right here. Make sure that the automatic downloads here is turned on, guys. Remember that. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna get in our browser of choice, of course, which is Safari. I am using an iPhone, but don't worry, just go into any browser if you're on other devices. And this is the site to go, guys. appsboy.com. Okay, appsboy.com, as you can see, and this is a really cool website, guys. There are a bunch of different games here, not just Pokemon, of course, and you guys can do it with any game. A lot of great features. Appsboy. Okay, now just search Pokemon because it is the game I am featuring today. Here we are, and it lets you spoof, teleport, joysticks. Very cool. Okay, just press start now. Okay, here we go. And remember, guys, it's not only just the game. You can also get 100% catch rate for all the Pokemons, and it's just a matter of one click, guys. And once it's done, we're gonna get our game right now. So quick, so easy. Okay, it's gonna start the injections into our device, and it's gonna pop up something here, guys. It's a profile configuration file. Okay, it is a data file. Just press allow that. It just downloads data directly to our phone. And now we're gonna get into the settings here, and should it pop up right here? Just press on that, press install, and it should appear right now on your phone. Just enter your passcode, install that. Okay, turn back to your home screen, and there we go. Pokemon Go right there on our phone, as easy as that. Okay, but it's not just regular Pokemon Go. Like I said, it's spoofed. You can go, you can teleport. So crazy. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Just adjust the things, just adjust the speed. Here we go, just a few more things, and I'm going to New York, and all that works the same as before. I'm just gonna run. So quick, so easy. Your turn.